Today's video, we are going to be unboxing the July RoccaBox. Let's open her up and see what she's got inside. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Or, well, just welcome if you are new here. Today's video, like I said, we have the July RoccaBox. Let's have a little peek inside and see what we're dealing with. So inside, yes, it's not the edit card. It has a QR code, can't remember the name of it there, that we scan. It's a digital edit card. But on here, it just says that this edit is called Summer Sparkle. It is worth £119. There is a very quick-ish sneak peek, but let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. If you're interested in this box, it's £15 per box, and I think it's £3.95 postage. Double check that, just to be on the safe side. I have a link, I'll pop it down below. I think there's a code as well. It's supposed to get you 50% off. It works for some people, it doesn't work for others. I have no idea what's going on with it. I've tried having a word with RoccaBox and they said that there's nothing wrong with it. So hopefully it works for you if you are interested in subscribing for the box. The longer you subscribe for it, the cheaper it gets as well. So yeah, bear that in mind. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. Helps my channel out so much. Oh, as well, I have uploaded my weight loss video. I will link it up top there, so give it a click and go watch it. Hopefully you find that it's okay. I think I'm going to do either fortnightly or monthly updates. I'm probably thinking monthly updates for it. In that video, I don't talk much about food. I just talk about, well, I'll go over it a little bit. But in the next video that I'm going to do, it does have more food in it. And I think I'm going to do what I eat in a day videos as well. I don't know yet. I don't know. But yeah, let's get digging. Scan this QR code. So the first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Warda, and this is a hyaluronic ultimate facial and neck serum. This is a full-size product with a value of £59. It just says this is a lightweight and soothing serum that acts as an ultimate base for the rest of your skincare and makeup routine. Hyaluronic acid hydrates tired skin, and linoleic acid helps replenish, strengthen and soothe the skin. It's a must-have in any summer makeup bag. That sounds really cool. This is sealed. Yeah, I'm not going to open that up because it's £59 worth. But yeah, I love anything with hyaluronic acid in it. I like how it's plumping for the skin, and yeah, can't wait to use that. Have you tried it before? If so, how did you get on with it? Let me know, I'm nosy. The second product we have is this. So this is by the brand Vitabiotics. Why can't I say that? It's by that. And this is Skin Perfectil. It's a 30-day supply, full size, worth £18.20. Biotin to help maintain normal skin, zinc to help maintain normal hair, selenium to help maintain nails. Yeah, it is a food supplement. I think it's tablets in here. And it just says, if you want to shine from the outside, we have to take a look what's on the inside. We've picked these Vits because they combine the original Perfectil tablet we know and love, but with additional minerals to support the skin's lower dermal layer, meaning after 30 days, your skin will surely feel its best. Take on a full stomach with a cold glass of water, or team with a green tea smoothie for extra goodness. Okay, cool. Yeah, anything that helps my hair and nails I am up for. Obviously, in skin, definitely my skin. So this is what it looks like inside. But yeah, there's two different things there. Oh yeah, I am liking the sound of that. I'm definitely going to give those a try. I don't know how I'll react to it because I've got Crohn's. I don't absorb lots of things, unfortunately, but hopefully I'll take them and fingers crossed it'll be okay. Yeah, never even heard of that brand before, if I'm honest. Third item we have is this. So this is by the brand Bellapierre, and it's a universal concealer palette, full size, with a value of £28.99. It says, sometimes we get tired peepers which need a little help brightening up. We've treated you to a creamy concealer palette with a range of 4 shades, which can easily blend and can be mixed for the perfect match. Formulated with natural waxes and pigments suitable for all skin types. Winning. Okay, let's have a look at the actual colours. Okay, wow. I think I'm lucky enough that may work. This one will, that one might be a bit dark. That one is too pinky for me, although I could probably use that when I'm having an extra natural day and use it as a very light blush. And that one, yellow, yeah, that might actually be brightening under the eye. But yeah, I do like it. Should I? Yeah, I'm going to try that yellow one there. It feels, yeah, it does feel waxy. So there it is there. Let's just blend that out. So yeah, that is definitely lighting. Okay. I mean, once it's blended out like that, it feels really nice on the skin. Yeah, I'll certainly will have to give that a good try out. Fourth item I have is this. So this is by the brand Wondertwo, and it is Pure Pigments. You'll either get the shade Maldives Blue, Lavender Field, or Sunkissed Gold. It's a full-size product worth £9.99. It just says Pure Pigments are ultra fine, highly concentrated loose powder pigments. They are lightweight and easy to blend, resulting in a subtle or super sparkly shimmer. We've treated you to either Maldives Blue, Lavender Field, or Sunkissed Gold. Use with your favourite eyeshadow primer for an eye look that stays put for 24 hours. I got blue. I was kind of hoping for at least the gold maybe, but no, I got the blue. I'm keeping it in there, I'm not touching it. I'll pop that in a giveaway. I don't wear that colour, to be honest. So, I mean, it's, I don't know, try and suit everybody. You'd think it would be like a mix of natural tones. I know not everybody likes a neutral or natural tone, but I think you'd make a lot more people happier that way, whereas yeah, I wouldn't get any use out of that whatsoever. Well, I'm boring. It does look pretty though, it looks very pretty, just not for me. The fifth and final product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Beauty Pro, and it's a warming eye mask, full size, has a value of £3. So not only is this eye mask award winning, the self-heating pads have a soft chamomile scent, providing gentle warmth and a peaceful rest. Unfold the mask and gently tear apart the 2-layer loops by pulling apart at the middle. Place the ear loops over your ears and put the mask over your eyes. Relax and enjoy for 20 minutes of warmth. Yeah, cool. That I've had these before many times, many times. Unfortunately, it is a waste because once you're done with them, you chuck them out. Although you can just keep as a normal eye mask, it just won't have the warming ability. But yeah, I do have an eye mask that I tried out ages ago. Was that by, I can't remember the brand, but I'll link the video up here. Give it a click and go check that out. But I do like Beauty Pro. Very affordable products, but very nice products that actually work. So this is the July RoccaBox. This edit is called Summer Sparkle. What do you think? Personally, I think this box is okay. I don't like the blue pigment. That's not for me whatsoever. The concealer palette thing, I mean, that's all right. There's at least 2 of the shades there that I will get use out of. The eye mask, I do love those eye masks. I absolutely adore them. I just find them very wasteful. The tablets, the vitamin-y things for hair, skin and nails, super interested in that, can't wait to use that. And yeah, the Warda skincare product, £59. But yeah, I think it is a good box. It's just, I don't know, But it is good. It does get a thumbs up from me. Comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. Again, if you want to subscribe to this, I'll leave the link down below in the information box. Try that link. Hopefully it'll work for you and you'll get 50% off. But yeah, that basically concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.